Hey guys, so I was gonna wait to do an unboxing with you guys of the Impala skates, but I cannot help myself, and I am going ahead and setting up one of the things that I got in the box. And just to give you guys a preview, if I can figure this camera thing out. Did that work? I owned these guys. They also sell rollerblades and roller skates, but I just decided that I cannot wait to do this. I am putting the new stoppers and the new wheels on my old skates, and when we get back, I will unbox my new rollerblades, which I am super, super excited for. They are the cutest colors. The box looks so much fun, so stay tuned and click the subscribe button.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls. As I mentioned earlier in the intro, I am super excited for this unboxing. I've been waiting for these guys for like ever. It took so long, or at least I thought it did, but they were actually sitting at my front door in a box that I thought was for someone else, but it was actually for me. So that was my fault that they took so long because they were actually just right upstairs. So guys, I love rollerblading and have loved it for so long, and the last time I purchased a pair of rollerblades was I think 8 years ago or maybe 7 years ago, and I got them at a thrift store. This is before rollerblading came back in style, so it was super limited on what you could find. And my friends and I, we all had like super old roller skates that we all bought for like $7. They were part of the K2, or we called it the K2 crew, and we loved it. We used to rollerblade with a boombox and look for the fresh asphalt. We used to call it getting fresh ass. Look for the fresh asphalt, and we would go and ride, and sometimes like other people in the neighborhoods would join in on their longboards and stuff. But Colorado is very open and environmentally friendly to stuff like that. So mine have been broken for years, but I still use them broken. I just kind of jerry-rig them and they work fine. Although I had been searching in the past for a pair that was not only cute, but functional as well and not broken. And what I came across was I couldn't find any. And then I stopped looking for so long and was just like, whatever, I'll use my janky ones. And then I found this company, Impala Skates. Now they have the coolest, not only roller blades, but they have roller skates as well. I always get confused between the two, and I actually have both. And in the intro video, as you guys saw earlier, I said I cannot wait to unbox part of it, and so I went ahead and did it without you guys. Well, I brought what I had done in here, and so these are like my vintage ones, and I bought purple wheels and purple stoppers to change them out. The only issue was that I screwed up these rollerblades or skates so bad. So these I bought for like $160 way back when they were like vintage. You couldn't find them anywhere online. And so I was like, oh, you know what? Like, I'm gonna go ahead and switch out my wheels, make them a little bit more fly, use toothpaste, get all the scuffs out, because guys, if you haven't seen that, white toothpaste gets the scuffs out of white leather, and it's like easy and so simple, and you don't have to buy anything. So if you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out. I show on my video proof that it works. But what happened was I got the stopper on and was like, okay, cool. And then let me go for the wheels. These wheels are definitely not made to come off. They have all these beads on the inside of the wheels, and I don't know really what those are for, but all I'm saying is that it took me an hour to get the wheel off, one of the wheels off, and I dropped all the beads, and then I tried to put the wheel on and it just completely didn't fit. I realized that with these kind of old school skates, in order to change the wheel, you have to replace the whole bottom part. So I do have to take these to some shop to get them fixed, because I don't want to lose these guys. It was such a stupid mistake of mine, but I will also buy another pair so that I can actually use my stoppers and my new wheels. But the most exciting part of this all is the unboxing of this. I mean, just look at the box itself. Like, I'm definitely keeping the box. It is totally my style. I love the 80s, 90s theme. I'm all about it. So that's kind of when I started rollerblading when I was a kid anyway. So it brings me back to those days. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, the ones that I got are called the Fairy Floss, but like this box is just so cool. So we'll go ahead and turn it this way. So as you guys can see, the inside of the box looks like this, and it comes with 2 cards. Let's see, one of them is a roller inline guarantee, an extended warranty that you can purchase. And the other one is a manual, because I guess some people don't know how to put on or wear or use rollerblades. So now to the fun part. So it comes in a super fun box like this. Now the ones that I got are called Fairy Floss, and oh my god, they are so fly. I am so excited to use these guys. So this is what they look like. They are completely in pastel colors. They've got the purple, the blue, the yellow, and I do not like yellow, but the way they wove in the yellow to this is just so perfect because it cuts all the pastel colors. So As you guys can see from the back, they've got like a cutout star on them. They do look like bigger and wider than my other rollerblades, and I'm hoping that they still work the same. Like, are these not like, I don't know what's in here. Seems like tools of some sort. But like, look at that. Oh my God, guys, I am so excited to wear these. I'm on carpet right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and just attempt to put them on and see how the fitting works. Let's check out what's inside this guy first. They have like the cutest colors, like the cutest styles. They even have patterns on there, and they also have like really cute crew socks to wear for them. So I have no idea what this thing is. I mean, I'm assuming it's important, and so maybe I'll just keep it in this box. And I think this is probably to change out the wheels, guys. So it comes with a tool to change out the wheels. I don't know what this thing is, and then it comes with a little Allen key, which is great because I'm assuming that's going to be useful somewhere along the lines. Now, I don't plan on changing out many of the parts on these because they were so perfectly crafted, but I am very excited. Now, they had socks that I really liked as well, but they were sold out, and so one of their stuff, their roller blades, which I always get confused as to why they're called roller blades. These ones should be blades because they look like a blade, and then the skates should be not this, but apparently these are skates. So they also have super cute patterning ones of the rollerblades. Most of them, I went onto like secondhand websites to see if I could find them for a little bit cheaper, and it was like 3x the price. And I was like, whoa. And so I went to the website and was like, maybe I should buy some, like just because they were 99 bucks. But then when I went to go actually check out, they were completely sold out of every normal size and pretty much every color that they have. And so they are wiped out except for all the larger sizes. And people are going onto secondhand markets, marking them up by 3x and then selling them because that's how cute they are. So let's get this guy on. And let's just see how the foot feels in it. This one goes to this foot. Oh, they're so cute. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get this on. They're much newer than my other pair, to say the least. Ooh, and the strings are a little bit hard to loosen up for whatever reason. Like, I feel like I'm about to put on ski boots. Come on, toes, get in there. They're so cute. Whew. Oh, that was tough. I don't know why it's poofing out right there, though. But maybe after a couple of wears, like this yellow front tab poof part is poofing out a little bit too much for my liking, but I'm sure once I get the laces on tight. Sorry for all the grunts, guys. I think I sweated more getting these shoes on than I did in my workout this morning. So, oh, these are fly. These are so cute, guys. And like, I really want the socks to go with it, but they're sold out in the pastel color. So if you guys do like rollerblading or roller skating, this company is super cute. I'm also realizing that there is a bunch more companies out there now that are making super cute ones. These ones I just could not resist. I've been waiting for someone to buy them for me as a gift, but they never came in. So I said, screw it. I'm not letting them get away from me, seeing as how everything else was selling out on their website. So I bit the bullet and went and purchased. So guys, keep in mind, you cannot change out these kind of wheels if you have like vintage rollerblades. You need to get new rollerblades in order to change out the wheels. And take my advice, if you see beads in the wheels, do not try and take the wheels off. Just buy a new pair because those aren't coming off easily. You're gonna have to take off the whole metal part. So let's see if I can get the second one on a little bit easier. I love the box. I love everything. So Impala, if you see this and you want to send me free skates, I'm here and I am down. Now, I probably won't get to test them out in front of the camera for you guys because I'm on carpet, like I said. So let's see if I can get this foot in any easier. It's always hard to get your foot in, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this one in. As you guys can see, it's quite tough to get inside of them. I really am sweating here. The purple part is really tight, but in a good way, in a protective way. Woo! Okay, so here you guys go. so cute. And they fit perfectly, guys. I got a size 8. They say on their website, if you are a half size, because I typically wear a 7.5, they said to size up rather than sizing down. So I would absolutely buy another pair from these guys again. These ones, I do have to say, I think are the cutest on their website. I know they're like bubblegummy, but they have the yellow that breaks it. And it reminds me of back in the day when I used to rollerblade. So absolutely keeping them. Wait, they don't have a stopper. Maybe that's what that thing is inside. Yeah, this is definitely a stopper, but there's only one, which is new to me. So guys, be careful. If you do buy these skates, make sure that you put the stopper on before taking a ride, because that would not end pleasantly. That's how my first rollerblade ride went, and I was aiming for a person and screaming, "I can't stop." And she was trying to get out of my way, but she did not realize I was aiming for her because it was the only thing preventing me from hitting the road. So again, make sure you put the stoppers on before you take a ride. If you realize you don't have your stopper on and you take a ride, make sure to aim for someone. If you are aiming for the street, just aim for anyone on the sidewalk. Just apologize after you tackle them. But it will be a lifesaver at the end of the day. You can take them out to lunch or dinner. But I'm surprised that it only came with one stopper. I prefer two, but I guess I typically stop with that foot. So I was wondering why it looked funny. Okay, cool. Well, thank you guys so much for watching Mary J's hauls. I hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure to click the like, the subscribe, and the notifications button, guys. I love making these hauls for you, and let's just share.